Okay, now let's practice muting the slap. We're going to use our left hand to mute the slap when we slap with our right hand. Okay, so what we're going to do is just lay our hand down on the drum just like that, cupped a little bit, got a little bit of air in there, and we're going to, like that. This way we can strike the drum and let it go and get a quick slap and still get that muted sound. So normally we would hold it down to get a slap like that, and we've got our hand there and we can't do anything else without a lapse in time. So what we want to do to get off that quicker is to mute with this hand. Okay, so we got, and then we can move on to another drum. That speeds us up when we start doing our beats. So like that. So we're muting. There we go over here. Notice the difference in sound? Alright, so that's our mute. Slapping with the right, muting with the left. Now if we want to slap with the left, same thing applies. Hold this hand down, the right hand, slap with the left hand. And here's our exercise. Your time. And that's how we mute the drum with either hand when we want to slap with either hand.